It's showtime!
Oh god, he's pissed, he's pissed!
Tornado or what?
I should kick your f***ing ass!
West of today, sunny in the late morning and early. This is a test of the NOAA radio alert system. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This for further information. No weather. Warren and the city of St. Louis, in Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you.
Okay, I need to rant real quick. First off, I would get more tests today from LSX and other stations, but look at this.
Cast for visit weather.
My station is off the air. Channel 3 off the air. This is barely getting a signal.
The latest weather.
Yeah, it's on the air again. Okay, so I thought, okay, yeah, sure. It'd be a nice day, catch a weekly test on KXI 40. Sorry, KXI 79, but nope. Now, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, sure, I'll just go for Lincoln. But, according to Lincoln.
Weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
You are offline too. Why? This is literally a fail. Why?
Warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver. We now return to regular programming. Forecast for Springfield.
You tested almost an hour. You've tested almost an hour late. What's wrong with you today, Lincoln?